Okay, how to replace power unit on desktop computer. Okay, let's see. Right, that is power unit. It's a CD DVD drive, and under it's hard drive. First, what to do, we'll remove CD DVD drive. Okay. That will remove hard drive. And you have to disconnect it. That cable, just remember which cables you're disconnecting. Alright, got it. And same on that one, DVD CD drive unit. Okay, disconnected. Okay, that is power unit, and it's have two screws on the back. I removed it already. You don't have to do that, just two screws. Okay, and pull your unit out. Okay, one more cable over here, main cable. You just have to disconnect it also. Okay, that cable. Alright. Alright, that is the power unit. No good, we have to replace it. Okay, we remove it, and same procedure to put new one unit back. Put it back slowly. Put screws here on the back. Connect that main cable here. Okay, and first we'll take hard drive. Connect it to the cables. Okay, another one. Alright, put in the same spot. Okay. CD DVD drive. Connected. Okay. Alright. Put in some spot to the slots. Alright, all done. Alright, that way we replace IC power unit. Thank you and good luck.